MultiVersus is a game that allows users to connect with other players all over the world. However, recently, users have been having issues connecting to the game, and their account states have been getting messed up. In this video, I will be discussing how to fix the MultiVersus login issues and how to reconnect to the game if your internet connection has been lost. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So one of the first things that you can do is head over to MultiVersus' official Twitter page. And you can go through these tweets from them to see whether the servers are down or not. Most of the time when you are facing this issue, it's because the servers are down and there is a temporary outage. If the servers are down, then you have to wait for some time and then try again later. However, if there is no outage and you are encountering this issue, then simply close the game and open it back up, or restart the system that you are playing the game on. For example, if you are playing this game on a PC, simply shut down your PC and then start it back up, and that should fix your issue. If it didn't fix your issue, then try unplugging and plugging back in your modem or router. So that wraps up this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.